Types, parts, and uses of bulldozer. Part 3. Blade SU, Semi-U. This blade combines the best qualities of the S and U blades to provide greater penetration and versatility. In comparison to a standard U blade, it is narrower, less curved, and has smaller side wings. Because of its shape, it's great for moving soil over large distances. This blade is attached to the blade utilizing angled stabilizing bracing and 1 or 2 hydraulic tilt cylinders in the lower back. It's great for pushing sand and soil with a soft to medium density. Crowning, moving heavy material, stumping, and ditching are some of the best uses for an SU blade. Blade with an angle. The center of the bulldozer's panel is where this blade is attached. Because it can tilt close to 30 degrees left or right, it is ideal for shifting trash to the side. As a result, an angle blade is classified as a two-way blade. Because it lacks side wings, this blade has the potential to spill. It's ideal for tasks that require soft to medium hard density soils, snow, or gravel. Stumping, shaping, stripping, and ditching are some of the best jobs for angle blades. Blade with power angle tilt, PAT. Because of its effortless maneuverability and diverse actions, the PAT blade is one of the most versatile blades. The driver can angle, tilt, and lift the blade in practically any direction from the cabin. These blades, like angle blades, are positioned in the panel's center. Scraping, land clearing, leveling, backfilling, and grading are just a few of the activities that PAT blades excel at. Parts and functions of a bulldozer. Because of its design, bulldozers can be employed in a variety of terrain. Blades, rippers, and whether or not tires or tracks are utilized are the key features that distinguish dozers. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.